In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new campaign in Salesforce and discuss why Salesforce campaigns are valuable for your business. Let's dive right in to ensure you have all the tools and knowledge needed to make the most out of this powerful feature. The first step you'll want to take is to open Salesforce and head for the app launcher. Here you can find various applications available within your Salesforce setup. We're specifically looking for campaigns. Simply type it into the search bar and select it from the list. Once you're on the campaigns page, you'll notice a new button. Click on it to start the process of creating a new campaign. This will bring up a form where you'll need to fill out all the necessary details about your campaign. Let's talk about what details need to be included. First and foremost, you'll need to provide a campaign name. This field is mandatory. When naming your campaign, think about clarity and consistency. It should be something that will immediately identify the campaign to any team member. Next, consider the type of campaign you're running. Salesforce allows you to choose from options like email, telemarketing, or other, depending on what aligns with your efforts. Status is another key field. Here, you can choose from options such as planned, in progress, or completed. Selecting the correct status helps your team stay updated on where the campaign stands at any given time. Moreover, accurately filling in the start and end dates for your campaign is crucial, as these dates help in planning and evaluating the campaign's timeline. It ensures everyone is on the same page regarding when the campaign activities are supposed to happen and when the results should be reviewed. Though optional, entering expected revenue, budgeted cost, and actual cost can be incredibly useful for ROI tracking. Understanding your return on investment is fundamental in measuring the success of your marketing efforts and making data-driven decisions. Don't forget to add a description. This section is perfect for including internal notes or any specific instructions your team might need. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click on Save. Your campaign is now officially set up in Salesforce. Now, why use Salesforce campaigns? The primary purpose is to track your marketing efforts and assess your return on investment. Salesforce campaigns enable you to associate leads and contacts with specific marketing initiatives, helping you deeply understand their influence on your sales pipeline. Additionally, these campaigns allow you to plan, budget, and report on your marketing strategies efficiently. They provide a holistic view of how your marketing activities are impacting your business and offer insights into areas that might need improvement. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Salesforce campaigns to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on how to work smarter with Salesforce.